Hi everyone, welcome back to my lab and today's video, which is going to be my Beautylish Lucky Bag XL unboxing. This is a video that I look forward to filming absolutely every year. I haven't been lucky enough to grab the XL every single year, but I usually do participate in the Beautylish event every year, and I love sharing my unboxings on my channel. Because this video has a tendency to draw in newcomers of everyone that is curious to see what everybody else is getting in their bag. If you're new here, I'm Yori. Thank you so much for joining me for my unboxing. I hope you're going to enjoy it. In general, I do all kinds of beauty content here on my channel. We are low-key, drama-free, and just about the makeup. So if that sounds like something you might enjoy, then hopefully you'll consider subscribing and joining our little growing makeup family. Thank you for the continued lab love on my channel to my returning subscribers, especially the first 5 commenters on my previous video. Those that have YouTube channels will have the YouTube logo and be linked in the description box down below in case you'd be interested in supporting any of my YouTube friends. Now, without any further delay, let's see what's in the box. Before we get into this baby, I just wanted to let you know that I don't really have any expectations for the lucky boxes. I purchase a lot of makeup throughout the year. I usually have a tendency to be very impatient, and so if I see something that I want, if it's something I can swing, I usually purchase it for myself. So I usually do get repeats in these boxes, but the good thing is that I enjoy doing giveaways here on my channel, so no matter what, this unboxing is going to be a win. I did want to share the total price that I paid, which was $181.92. That's including tax and shipping. I'm doing a beauty budget this year, and so it's really important for me to keep track of exactly how much I'm spending on makeup. If you'd like to know the details of that project, then I will link it up above. Now, the only thing I did was I broke the seal on the box so that I could take a picture for my Instagram. And here's what the box looks like. I'm not going to read the card. I know you're probably just as impatient as I am. One thing I noticed is that the box is kind of small. It doesn't look like it on camera right now, but it is actually kind of small. I've placed Beautylish orders that come in a lot larger packages, so hopefully good things do come in small packages. All right, so I've got a little bundle here, and it looks like that's about it. Yep, just the bundle. I can already see some items I recognize, but let's go ahead and open it up together. I'll try to look at one thing at a time. So the first thing that is in my box is by Wayne Goss, and I believe this is the Wayne Goss airbrush. I'm not exactly sure. Yes, it is. It is definitely a Wayne Goss airbrush. I have 3 of these now, but luckily it is my absolute favorite brush. I love this brush for setting underneath the eyes. It's not labeled, which surprises me, but I would recognize it anywhere. Like I said, it's my favorite brush, and even though it is a duplicate, this is something I'm definitely going to hold on to. I will put the prices and everything on the screen, and we'll add it up at the end. Very excited about this brush. The next thing comes in a small little package, and this is by Natasha Denona, and this is a Chroma Crystal top coat, and it is in the shade Metal Black. I don't see myself having purchased this shade in the past. It's not a color that I would gravitate to, so let me take a quick peek in my collection, make sure that it isn't something that I already have before I open it up and get my grubby fingers in there. All right, I'm back, and we definitely don't have it, so let's go ahead and get into it. I am familiar with the Natasha Denona Chroma Crystal top coats. Oh, it's tightly sealed, which is a good thing because these have a tendency to dry out. So it's kind of crumbling a little bit, but this is what it looks like. And it's just basically a shimmery topper eyeshadow. I've been getting a lot more into smoky looks, and this is something I will definitely use. I've also talked about on my channel how I'm getting into a lot of these topper eyeshadows. So another win. We're doing so well so far. All right. The next thing is something by True Botanicals, and this is the Pacific Glacial Clay Detoxifying Mask. This is not a brand that I've ever heard of. And let's see, it says apply an even layer to clean dry skin, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse thoroughly with warm water. So it's going to be a rinse off mask. Also something I don't have. I'm shocked. I did that whole disclaimer about getting doubles, and so far I haven't. All right, so here's what that packaging looks like. It's very beautiful. It looks very small. It's 1 fluid ounce though. Let's open it. Ooh, so it looks kind of like charcoal and it's definitely jelly-like. Very interesting. It doesn't look like a lot of product at all. I wonder what the retail price of this is. You're probably going to be seeing it on the screen, so you're going to know before I do, but that's super interesting. What is it supposed to do? Just detoxify. The ingredients are looking pretty good, so promising, and another non-repeat item. Here we have something from R&Co. I'll be very honest, I do not care for this brand. There was one time where they sent me an email and asked me if I wanted to try any of their products, but I've had such bad experiences with pretty much all their products that I just declined. There was just no sense in wasting the product, right? So it says, plunge into deep hydration and reflective shine with high dive, formulated to smooth and seal the hair, moisturizes, softens, and drowns out frizz, work through towel dried hair and air dry or blow dry, works as a leave-in conditioner. So at the very least, this is something that I haven't tried. It's sealed, so I can't really smell it. It's not something I've tried, like I said, but it does seem to be suitable for my hair type. And so we'll give it a shot. It's not too big of a package. It's 1.7 fluid ounces, so it's actually a little misleading. But yeah, another thing I have never tried. Okay, so here we have something that I definitely will have. You will have seen this in one of my Shop My Stash. My very first Shop My Stash for this year, I did share that I included the Hourglass lipstick. So this one has the shades I Cherish and You Inspire. So this is going to be something I'll be able to share with one of you in my upcoming monthly giveaways. These are very, very nice lipsticks. They're very beautiful, and these are from last holiday. So I'm definitely excited to share that with one of you. I have my Shop My Stash right on my desk, so I pulled it out so that I can show you the shades. So I Cherish is a very pretty pinky nude. I may as well swatch them because these are the ones that are in Shop My Stash. This is a beautiful pinky nude shade. And then the refill was in the shade You Inspire, right? Let me see. Yes, I Cherish and You Inspire. So let's see. So this one is more of a burgundy red shade. Very pretty colors. I love these lipsticks. They're super high quality, very comfortable, and really easy to wear. And I'm glad that one of them is a wearable shade because I know that those are more popular and people would enjoy receiving that a little bit more. Next, we have something from Slip, and these are 3 large pure silk scrunchies. My hair is super fine, but I do like to put my hair up when I go to bed, and these are really easy on the hair. So there's 3 in the package. There's a black one, a beige one, and a pink one, and these are just said to, so this just says that it's made with Slip silk to be gentle on your delicate hair. I definitely have delicate hair, super fine. These are gonna be a really, these are gonna be a little bit big for me to wear on the everyday, but like I said, to wear them to bed would be really good. And my daughter has super thick hair, so if I can't get any use out of them, she definitely will. Next, we have something from Good Molecules, and this is something that I already have, but I do enjoy these. These are the Caffeine Energizing Hydrogel Eye Patches. You get 30 pairs of eye patches, and they're pretty much gels that you place underneath your eyes for depuffing and hydration. So it says apply on freshly cleansed but dry skin, gently press into skin, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes for a quick energized result. On the picture, it also says you can apply it in other areas like between your eyebrows, on the sides of the mouth, even over your eyes, which is really interesting. So I'm definitely happy to have a refill on these patches as they are something that I do use. Here's something that I definitely recognize. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, and this is a new product to the Charlotte Tilbury line actually, and it's interesting because I recently hauled this and I reviewed it in one of my beauty R&R videos where I rank and review 5 beauty products that are new to my collection, and I didn't give this a high review. I mean, I like it. It's a nice product. I have the smaller package of it and I do like it. I think it's a nice product, but people are hyping this one up like super high, and I just didn't get the hype at that level. But like I said, I think it's a nice product, and because it's a setting spray, it's something I can definitely use, and I'm very happy to have that as well. Last but not least is something from Tom Ford, and this is the Eye Color Quad, and this one is in the shade Body Heat. I don't think I have this one. Do I have this one? Quick break so I can check my stash again. So I'm looking through my collection and I have white suede, I have nude dip, I have iris bronze, cocoa mirage, and Soleil Alune. So I actually don't have it, and I think Body Heat was in my wish list. I am so excited. I think that Tom Ford is actually relaunching Body Heat in like limited edition packaging. I think like it's pink or red maybe, but here it is in the signature little velvet pouch. I'm so excited to get this one. Like, who knew that my lucky bag was going to bring me so many items I hadn't tried? So here's what that one looks like. Very nice neutral shades. These are in the Tom Ford Wet Dry formula. You can tell because of the stamp TF in the eyeshadows themselves. I think these are beautiful palettes. They're really nice to use for an everyday makeup look, and it's definitely something I can get a lot of use out of for work. And I know that this one is really highly rated, so I'm very excited to try Body Heat. I didn't have that one. So that's everything that was in my box, and the only repeat item really, I mean aside from the brush, but you never mind a brush repeat, especially if it's one that you love, was the lipstick. And it's kind of coming unglued, but I didn't do that. It's just the stickers kind of wearing thin a little bit. I'm going to put this in a future giveaway. I haven't done my monthly giveaway for January, so you can be on the lookout to see this one in the January giveaway. I'm going to quickly put these items in my cart so I can figure out what the total is, and we can see if we got our money's worth. All right, so I added everything to my cart. The only thing that I wanted to mention was the Natasha Denona Chroma Crystal Top Coat is no longer available in Metal Black, but they had other shades, so I kind of went off of that. And the retail price of those were $28. So altogether I got 9 items, and the retail price with that, without taxes and everything, would be $370. So I definitely think I got my money's worth. I'm really glad that I got an item that I can share with you on my giveaways as well. And overall, I think it was a really good return on my investment. Now, I always have to ask the question, if I would have spent that $150, would I have spent it this way? Probably not. I think I eventually would have purchased the Body Heat Quad, probably in the limited edition packaging just because of the packaging, but it's the same product anyway, so I'm happy to have it this way. But if I had the $150 back, really the 180-ish, I probably would have bought the Lunar New Year brush, as I love collecting Fude, and that's a brush that I don't have in my collection already, as much as I'm excited to have another Wayne Goss airbrush. You truly cannot have too many of those brushes. They are perfection. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, and if you did, please don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up. If you did an unboxing, please let me know in the comments section down below so I can go watch your video. In all honesty, I've probably already seen it because I've been stalking YouTube for uploads on Beautylish Lucky Bags. Let me know how you think I did overall. I'm very curious to know all your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. I hope you're doing really, really well, and I look forward to seeing you again very, very soon on my next one. Bye-bye.